Let's build the initialize method for the simple moving, average crossover strategy. The setup is similar to buy and hold, but with a few extra lines. Start with self.setStartDate, self.setEndDate, and self.setCache. Use the same date range and starting cache as before. Then add SPY using self.addEquity with resolution.daily. Now the indicator lines. Create the fast moving average. Use self.SMA, pass in SPY and set the period to 10. Assign it to self.fast. Create the slow moving average. Use self.SMA again, pass in SPY and set the period to 50. Assign it to self.slow. Then add two tracking variables. Set self._prev fast to 0 and self._prev slow to 0. These will store the previous bar's values so you can detect the moment a crossover happens. That is the full initialize method. The indicators and the two tracking variables need to exist here before OnData starts running.